today to see the church bells ring again.
It's about time for Catholics to come united because we're all serving one God and we're all Christian, and we should come, as one people, one voice to support this church. I grew up hearing bells, and it's a sign, that God is calling us.
The bells remind us of who we are. They call us, they invite us to come and to worship and praise Jesus Christ, the King of the universe.
Palabra de Dios. We had an opportunity to meet all the people from different nations, different countries, and we all feel like one family here.
The bells speak one language, a language of love, of joy, and that's the quality that we all have, no matter what corner of the world you come from.